Hey, welcome to Cody the Car Guy. So this is going to be another Fact or Fiction, and this is the one about you can break windows with your fingers. So I really don't believe that's true at all. I'm just going to straight out, there's no way I think that works. But I will show you. He had gloves on, and my gloves, there's nothing in the fingers. They're just, make sure we see these. So I'm going to put them on because he had gloves on. So, alright, got my gloves on. And as you see, there's nothing in there. I can actually flex my fingers. Alright, pretty much in the video, it showed a longer window. Not every car has long windows. So most time they'll go for the rear glass or the back glass right here, the little quarter glass. So pretty much what they did was they started about in the middle and they just started tapping down, and then you hear right about when they got here, you heard a little crack. So we're going to try it with two different right here, and then if this doesn't work, I have my Expedition. Really don't want to try on just in case it does work, but I have a spare piece of glass, so if it does work, I'm good. So let's try it on this one first. You pretty much start right here and just start working his way down. No, but I definitely feel it on my fingers. So I'm gonna try my knuckles. I'm gonna go a little bit harder just because.
Nothing.
Alright, let's go ahead and go in this one right here, the little window. So it's a little bit longer, so we'll start up top and we'll just kind of work our way down and go towards the corner. Oh, that actually hurts my knuckles. No. Alright, how about we just try the back glass right here. Alright, we'll try from right here and we'll work down over here to the corner. Let's see what we got. Now see, now if I thought it was going to break on one, right when it changed in and changed tone, if it had a chance, I thought it was going to do it. So we'll try a little bit more. I'll try my knuckle again. No, nothing. Now look, I will tell you this. Most time when they try to break the glass, they're going to use something like this. This is actually a Firemans type of knife right here. It's got a very sharp point on it. It's made to tap on that glass and pow, it will actually break it. They also sell them at like Advance Auto. They got a little tap guy like this, and literally just tap it one time and it will shatter it. As you see, I hit that pretty hard. I've seen people actually like punch glass before and not break it. So to me, that's why I saw the fingers on there. It really just, it put a lot of doubt in my mind. So, but just to put the doubt out, we're gonna go to the longer window on my personal Expedition instead of this car that's going to scrap. So let's see what happens. So this is one of my spare vehicles I use every once in a while when I'm towing something or have a trailer to sit. I didn't want you guys to say on the other car that because it was the back window, back passenger window, or the back quarter, or the back little piece, because they were too small or something was so different. So we got a long one right here. So let's see if it works. I hope it don't break because it's my car. So I started out in the center, and he tapped his way to the quarter, so let's go ahead. Nothing. Alright, this one's a little bit more firm on there. That one just pushed up against the seal, so we'll even try it over going this direction. Yeah, I'm pretty much thinking that is going to be a, just like I said in the beginning, ain't going to work. No good. It's definitely a fiction. You want to break the glass in there, you have to use one of those tools I showed you. So now you don't think we didn't come to go ahead and break some glass. So, you know, if I'm going to do a video about breaking some glass, I'm going to break some glass. You know, since this car is going to the scrapyard, it's, like I said, these are the two tools you use. And see, now look. Now, if that was a finger breaking those windows, this is like a tool made for it. Yeah, it didn't break it. Okay, that one didn't even break it. Yeah, this thing went flying everywhere, so that's one of the parts we got batteries missing everywhere. Yeah.
The finger thing is a fiction.
And yeah, and you think you're gonna break your glass with your fingers. Now you see it, so. Now I will tell you this, there's also a thing where they say if you have a broken piece of spark plug, you can throw at it and it will break the glass. I have actually seen that work, so, because we do stupid stuff sometimes just to see if it actually does work. But, breaking a glass with your window, I would not hold my breath about that. You know, if your animal or your kids or something are locked up in the car, you're better off to try to call and get some community service to come out and let you in, or get a locksmith. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that episode of Fact or Fiction. I'll catch you next one. Love video, not video. Nope. Now you don't think that we forgot that we said we're going to break some glass, right? Yeah, so we got him armed with that, and I got a hammer, so. Yeah, I was going to say, this shit's like bulletproof. See? There, we broke some glass. So you happy now? No.
But this will not work.
Let's see, we broke some glass for you, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you on the next Fact or Fiction. We're still determined to break more glass.
How about if you stab it? Ain't no way.
Tap it from the center to the corner like they did.
I'm making chips in it. I've got it all chipped up. There ain't no way. Ain't no way. No way. Ain't no fucking way. Ain't no way. You're fucking bleep.